about getting fit, being healthy, and having fun all at the same time, also for a good cause. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Zumbathon fundraising event for the Davaoenos Cultural Assistance Society. At kasama po natin ngayon ang mga chairpersons ng association na nagsasagawa ng cultural event na ito, Mr. Flong Astilio and Mr. Claude De Hoya. Kumusta po kayo?
Mabuti naman.
Can you tell us more about the association, the Davaoenos Cultural Assistance Society?
Well, ito po yung Davaoenos Cultural Assistance Society. We comprise of mga people from the southern part of the Philippines. Actually, kami po yung mga magkakaibigan, mga pamilya na nagkakatipon-tipon. Tsaka nag-decide kami na mag-create kami ng group. Ito na nga po, tinatawag ko ito na Davaoenos Cultural Assistance Society. Based po kami dito sa Edmonton.
So, paano niyo po nasimulan ang Zumbathon fundraising event? When did it start?
Actually, naplano itong Zumba event na ito mga in the last 2 months pa lang. Pero ginagawa namin itong Zumbathon or Zumba dance for, I think we have done it for 3 or 4 times already in the past 4 years. So maraming ginawa ng fundraising ang Davaoenos, and itong Zumba ang one of the fundraising na ginagawa namin. Kasi nasimula na itong grupo, mga 5 taon na siguro ang nakakaraan. At ang proceeds ng mga fundraising na ito karamihan ay naiibigay din namin sa mga Davaoeno, especially sa Davao. Lalo na doon sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo, yung nagkaroon ng earthquake. So hindi lang ito sa Davao, kundi every part of the Philippines, yung sa Samar, yung sa Bohol. So naging part din ng mga Davaoeno sa fundraising na yun.
So right now po, ilan po ang members ng Davaoenos Association at kung meron po kayong gustong i-invite na mga taga Davao na gustong sumama sa association nito, ano po ang kailangan nilang gawin?
Okay, sa ngayon po, ang members po ng grupo, nasa
20 couples?
20 couples or 20 families. So kami naman po ay open sa kung sino pong may gustong sumali. Mayroon po wala kaming website, pero mayroon po kaming Facebook. Bisitahin nyo lang po yung Davaoenos Cultural Assistance Society. Makikita nyo po yan sa Facebook. So, makikita nyo po doon yung mga activities ng grupo at kung sino po yung pwede nyong i-contact. Pumunta lang po kayo sa page na yon at saka mag-post na lang po kayo. At kung meron po, i-post nyo rin po ang number nyo para kayo po matawagan, makontak po namin.
So ngayon po sa event na to, ano po saan po mapupunta ang mga proceeds na manggagaling po sa event na ito?
Sa ngayon gano'n pa rin. Sa mga Davaoenos pa rin, especially dun sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo. Hindi lang yon, kundi pati sa mga paaralan na nangangailangan ng mga bags, ng mga libro, ng mga lapis, gano'n ang mga bagay na pagtulong na ginagawa namin. Especially doon sa mga remote areas na nasasakupan ng Davao.
So kapag nagdo-donate po kayo halimbawa sa mga relief communities, paano niyo po siya sinesend doon?
Okay, sa amin po, pinapadala po namin yung relief namin or kung ano yung tulong namin, direkta po kami sa relatives namin na naka-base din po sa Davao. So hindi po namin pinapadaan sa any agency. Kami po ay kinokontak namin yung mga pamilya namin doon, tapos sila na rin po yung naging agent namin. Sila na po yung di-distribute doon sa, halimbawa, kung may eskwelahan na pagdesisyonan namin na tulungan, na mga bata kailangan ng school supplies, so ang bibili po ng mga gamit, yung relatives po namin. So, tapos sila na rin po yung mag-distribute doon sa school na yun. So direkta po kami.
At kung meron din pong mga taga Davao naman pero gusto pong tumulong, pwede po ba silang maging affiliate po ng inyong association?
Yeah, everybody is, lahat taus puso namin tatanggapin ang mga tulong, pati yung sa miyembro hindi porke Dabawenyo ang pangalan, hindi po lahat taga Davao ang membro namin. Meron po kaming ibang taga-ibang lugar na aktibo at nakikibahagi dito sa grupo ng Dabawenyo.
Tulad po si Claude, taga Batangas po yan.
Kaya ako, taga Batangas. Nakapangasawa lang ng taga Davao. Kaya naging Dabawenyo na rin.
At naging vice chairperson pa,
Kaya,
no?
so, yun.
So kung meron po kayong mga forthcoming events or mga fundraisers din po, ano po ang mga schedule of events ninyo so far?
Sa ngayon, ito pa lang po ang aming fundraising. Pinopost po namin sa Facebook page namin kung meron po kaming upcoming events. So,
Meron din kaming pinaplanong caroling ngayong Disyembre. So, doon sa mga gusto magpa-carol, narito lamang kami. At saka meron din kaming schedule na Christmas party sa December 6.
And everybody is welcome po, ano?
Yeah. Opo, yeah.
Ayan, so makikita po natin ang lahat po ng mga updates ng grupo nila, ng association nila sa Facebook page nila. So sana po abangan po natin. Grabe, nakaka-overwhelm po yung tulong na binibigay nyo sa mga kababayan natin sa Pilipinas. Saludo po kami sa inyo. Maraming salamat po for your time. At sana po tuloy-tuloy pa rin po itong inyong ginagawa. Thank you po so much. Salamat po.
Okay, once again, maraming salamat sa Hydra, lalo na sa mga namumuno ng Hydra. So, sa pagkakataong pinunta nyo rito at naging bahagi nitong event na ito, ng fundraising event.
salamat po.
So we're here with Demara Lopez, one of the Zumbathon instructors for today's event. So what are your thoughts right now?
Well, today was fantastic. It was an honor, again, to be with the Dabawenyo Society and support them, as I know they're really involved in the Filipino community. So it's always, I don't know, I guess it's like a happy feeling after we've finished the events.
So can you tell us more about Zumba, what it is?
Yeah, so Zumba is a Latin dance-based fitness class, and the whole objective is to do the exercise in disguise. So as long as people are smiling and moving, that's the most important thing. So ditch the workout and join the party. That's the whole motto of the class.
How long have you been teaching and instructing people?
I've been teaching Zumba for almost 5 years, so since 2010. And then I used to teach Latin dance before that, so since about 2000 before that.
So how did you find out about the Dabawenyo Society, and how did you made contact with the chairpersons and everything else in the association?
Okay, this is a really cool story. So I was teaching at the Terwilliger Rec Center, and there were several women that were from the Dabawenyo Society, not just the women, but husbands as well. And they were all standing outside of my class. And so then I invited them to come in, and that's just kind of how the relationship started. So they came in, and then they started taking the classes, and then they asked me, well, back in 2010, if I could come and help them with a fundraiser, and then that's where the relationship started. So, yeah.
And how are your relationship with them?
It's beautiful. It's really great. So they always bring me pancit. So I know all the not all the Filipino dishes, but I have my favorites. Also the caroling that they do at Christmas time. So they have sung a tune for my family as well. So I would say the relationship is definitely really strong. I feel super connected to them for many reasons, obviously like the fundraising, but culturally very similar to the Latino culture, just really family oriented and loving, and they just want to feed you.
And are you really looking forward to more Zumbathon everywhere, every part of Edmonton?
There's a few. There's always several events happening, so throughout the city, and I try to participate in as many as I can, as most of the instructors do. So yeah, I would say at least one every month. So
okay. So who can join Zumba?
Anyone. So if you have 2 feet and you can walk, you can join Zumba. If you are in a wheelchair, you can come to Zumba. It doesn't matter. So it's for the young, the very old. There's different levels for sure. So there's Zumba Kids. There's just Zumba, and then there's Zumba Gold, so it's for the active older adults. And then that also has a function for people that have limited mobility. So if people are in a wheelchair or they have certain physical restrictions, then they can totally take a class as well. We just do modifications. So it's for everybody.
Everybody, yeah. So where can they find you?
So they can find me mainly at the Terwilliger Rec Center, but you can find a Zumba class and a Zumba instructor at zumba.com. So you go to zumba.com and you click on find a class or find an instructor, and you can enter your address and it'll show you everything that's within like 25 blocks of your house. So that's the best place.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much,
you're
Damara,
welcome.
and thank you so much for doing this for in behalf of the Filipino community. Thank
You're
you so
very
much.
welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.